I'm Darryl.
And I'm Renee.
And welcome to another R&DW Adventures brick build, where today we're going to build the Great Wall of China.
And it probably won't take
Not the
long.
actual thing.
Right? I was going to say it's the condensed version.
Just 21041. That's our model number. So, I already took the liberty of slitting this, but it is a very cool one member of the architecture series. And of course, we have the noisy bags again.
We have scissors this time. Oh, they're not numbered.
No, this is like most of the others, where we have to take the whole thing all at once.
Okay.
So let's get the bags in order and then we'll actually start.
Okay.
So I think we ended up with too many bags for our bowls this time around.
There's a lot.
Ooh, someone had, not that you're going to be able to really see it in the video, but someone had a really big version of the Great Wall that they built. Check that out.
Wow. Did they build two of them?
I assume that's the guys who are building this spec model. And oh, we got another polar aparter too.
Oh, cool. We need those polar aparters.
So we have our starting point.
Okay, what's our starting point?
We need the big flat one by whatever.
Here you go.
And then I need 3 of these.
I was trying to organize them because we split this bag.
Now I need 3 big ones. 4, sorry. Figure 3.
Figure 3.
And I need wings.
How many?
1 of each direction. Except it says ×2, so I'm thinking I need another 2 of those. So that's it. That wraps up the Great Wall of China.
So I wonder, yeah, I think the other one built it backwards because it went like this when you saw it.
Yeah, the one that's in here.
Yeah. So I think they just built 2 of them and built one.
I think it's
like,
more like 3.
No, I want to go to China.
4.
Oh, 4.
It's 4 of them.
That's cool though.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So we have our very own section of the Great Wall of China.
We could even write in Chinese. We should put Chinese.
Yeah,
on
and we
this
do
side.
have the. I'm not sure you can. No.
We can put it here.
Yeah, they have the Chinese katakana, or not
Okay.
katakana. I can't remember what the Chinese words are called.
I don't know.
But Great Wall, Great Wall,
Very cool.
and then we've got our label there.
And there's some really, really cool pictures
And the
in this
back.
booklet too. Like, I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to show this one.
You're not going to see it.
No, you can't really see it, but it's really cool. It's like at nighttime or at dusk.
Yeah. Sunrise, sunset, whatever.
Something, one of those.
But yeah, it's a cool build. I liked
It
it.
is, I do too.
It is a retired model though now, so you can't get them anymore.
No,
That's it.
that's it. So we can't build one all the way around. It
And
looks like
it
it's on their
looks
mantle.
like- Yeah, it looks like it only took about an hour to put it together.
Not so bad.
And nowhere near as many pieces as the last one left over.
But this one, though, it was hard because so many of these pieces look the same. They're just slightly different sizes.
Yeah.
Or you really
Well,
have to look at them.
The architectural models are harder than the regular models because it is so many pieces of the same, so many small pieces with minor differences.
Very minor differences.
So we ended up messing up the tower here because the foundation, we put the sloped piece instead of a flat piece.
Because they look kind of the same.
So
Yeah. That's good.
You probably saw that in the time lapse.
Oops.
But yeah, I like it. It's cool.
It's cool.
Going up on the shelf with the rest of the architectural models. But not the fastest build, not the slowest build.
Nope. And there's more to do.
and it's definitely a cool one.
It is a cool one.
All right, so click the subscribe button over there if you like videos like this and the junk fooding, the geocaching,
A little bit of everything.
mystery box opens, you know, so whatever we happen to do that day. And then over here is our brick build playlist where you can get lots more videos just like this one.